Good day, kids! I am Jean Pauline Magtibay, and you can call me Teacher Pau, and today, I will be teaching you how to play basic cajon beats. A cajon is a box-shaped percussion instrument originally from Peru. It is played by slapping the front or rear faces with the hands, fingers, or sometimes implements such as brushes, mallets, or sticks. These are the parts of a cajon. The striking surface of a cajon is commonly referred to as the tapa. A sound hole is cut on the backside. A snare produces a controlled bass with higher tones and gentle tones. Some cajons are purpose-built without snares. The modern cajon may have rubber feet and has several screws at the top for adjusting percussive timbre. Let's start! Get your cajon, and we are going to start with the basics. I am going to show you the basic hits and the basic patterns. We are going to use the three main hits when hitting a cajon. This is the bass, which is located here. This is the slap tone, which is located here. This is the high slap tone, which is located here. Now, for this exercise, we should practice even stroke of both hands no matter you are right-handed or left-handed. Let's proceed through the three main strokes: the bass, the slap, the high slap. Bass, slap, high slap. When hitting the bass, your hand must be like this, not like this, because you're going to lose a lot of tone. Just lightly hit the bass and find the right tone. Slap. Your knuckles should be aligned here, and you're going to hit it with your fingers. High slap is on the edge. Your knuckles here should be aligned here. But not so you hurt yourself. Remember, a cajon is a piece of wood at the end of the day, and we are hitting a piece of wood, and we don't want to damage ourselves. Now, we are going to play a groove. It's in 4/4 rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's incorporate all the tone you have learned in the first lesson. So again, the rhythm after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make it faster. So that's the basic cajon beats. There are more basics and more techniques, but right now, you need to practice more the fundamentals, then you're able to explore more advanced beats in cajon. I hope you learned something from this video and gained some new insights and appreciation for music. Let me end this video with a message from Mr. Henry Wadsworth Longfellow saying, "Music is a universal language of mankind." Thank you so much and have a wonderful day ahead. Goodbye!